Today, I'm taking on the challenge of giving myself the smoothest shave ever, and I'm sharing every step of the process with you. Achieving the smoothest shave ever is a game changer for both comfort and appearance, and it's something we all strive for, whether you're shaving daily or just occasionally. Shaving can be a real challenge for many of us, and common issues like irritation, ingrown hairs, and uneven results are all too familiar. Redness and bumps can be a major confidence killer, and it's frustrating when you've got a big event or meeting, and your skin is looking less than its best. Lots of people experience razor burn, especially in sensitive areas, and it can be painful as well as unsightly. Many of us have tried various solutions to tackle these problems, from different types of razors to special creams and lotions. But sometimes it feels like we're just throwing money at the problem without getting any real results. For people with curly or coarse hair, ingrown hairs can be a particular problem, and it can be hard to know how to prevent them without sacrificing the smoothness of your shave. Exploring different shaving techniques and tools can make a big difference in getting a smooth shave. Using a sharp razor and shaving in the direction of hair growth can help prevent ingrown hairs and reduce irritation. Pre-shave routines like exfoliating and using a warm towel can also help to soften the hair and open up the pores, making it easier to get a close shave. There are lots of products on the market that claim to help you achieve a smooth shave, from shaving creams and gels to aftershave balms and serums. Finding the right combination of products and techniques can be a process of trial and error, but it's worth it in the end. Post-shave care is also important, and using a soothing balm or moisturizer can help to calm the skin and reduce irritation. One technique that's made a big difference for me is using a pre-shave oil to help the razor glide more smoothly over my skin. I've also started using a safety razor, which has been a revelation. It's so much sharper than a regular razor, and it's really helped to reduce ingrown hairs and irritation. Another product that's been a game changer is a shaving brush, which helps to lift the hairs and create a closer shave. I've found that using a combination of these techniques and products has really helped me to achieve a smooth shave, and I'm excited to share my results with you. I've discovered that the ultimate shaving technique is all about creating a smooth canvas for the razor to glide over. And that means taking care of your skin before, during, and after you shave. By using the right combination of products and techniques, you can achieve a shave that's not just smooth, but also comfortable and long-lasting. I've been using this technique for a while now, and I can honestly say it's been a total revelation. My skin feels so much smoother and healthier, and I've had loads of compliments from friends and family. This technique has been a total game changer for me, and I'm confident it can do the same for you. The key to a smooth shave is finding the right combination of products and techniques that work for you, and being consistent with your routine. By exfoliating regularly, using a sharp razor, and taking care of your skin after you shave, you can achieve a smooth, comfortable shave that lasts all day. If you've got any tips or tricks for getting a smooth shave, please share them with me in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your favorite products and techniques. And if you're looking for more grooming tips and advice, be sure to check out my other video on skincare for men.